Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to the Lyft app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and redeem a gift card on the Lyft app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Lyft. Next, click on You on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Gift Cards, and then this is where you can redeem your gift card number. Additionally, if you click on Payments, then click on Add Payment Method, then click on Gift Card, you'll be redirected to the same window here as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a gift card to the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.